for resisting lawful order.
I'm not resisting a lawful order because, hold on. I'm not resisting a lawful order because in law, I don't have to get out of my car for no reason. There's no reason for me to get out of my car.
Relax, man.
I didn't threaten you shit. I told you don't touch me. I ain't threatening you shit. Don't get your handcuffs off me, man.
Hey, relax. Relax.
I'm not getting no handcuffs, man.
Relax. Hey, tell me relax.
Relax. What y'all got us for? What's wrong with you, man? Get the fuck off me, man.
Relax. Yeah.
What y'all got us for? Hey, don't come.
At 11:41 a.m. on May 10th, 2022, in Chicago, Illinois, a seemingly simple traffic stop quickly escalated into a tense confrontation between a driver and a police officer. According to body camera footage, the officer believed the driver failed to use his turn signal when changing lanes. And seconds later, an argument erupted on the side of the road.
Hey, what's up, man? No biggie. You just didn't use a turn signal when you're going to the right lane.
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
You was behind me, so I made sure I used turn signal.
Okay.
Can you move the window down? Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Hey, put the window back down.
I'm not rolling shit down. Don't touch my window, man. I'm not rolling shit down. What's wrong with your people, man? You pulling me over bogus because I used my turn signal. I saw you behind me. I used my turn signal, so you didn't pull me over. You pulled me over after I used my turn signal. Bring your cameras back. Second of all, I don't got the roll shit down. Get off my windows, knocking on my shit. I paid for this car. Got my face, boy. How's your life?
The driver immediately protested, claiming he had used his turn signal and accusing the police of harassment because of his tinted windows and ethnicity. He repeatedly refused to roll down his window completely, used abusive language, and denied all police requests, causing the situation to escalate rapidly.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Tell your partners to chill out. This is the traffic stop, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Traffic stop.
Tell your buddies to calm down, man. I ain't smoking. I ain't no oil.
They're fine. They both got their hands in their legs. They're fine for now. But we'll see. Can you do me one favor at least then, please? Can you just keep this window down, that way we can see inside? Is that okay?
I ain't going nowhere, man.
I know
I ain't got no issues. This is your boy, your partner. Your partner's pulling up all aggressively, blocking me off and all this shit. You pulling me over bogusly, talking about you no turn signal. I know I made sure
I'm just telling you what I saw.
I ain't writing me a ticket.
I'm not gonna write you a ticket. It's so big.
Hey, call me a white shirt.
1161 Crown. Hey, can we get a white shirt over here?
Please. Because you're harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
You is.
I'm trying to talk to you like normal.
You're not talking to me. You listen. You pulled me over bogusly.
No, I didn't.
I saw you behind me when you got behind me, man.
Okay.
I said they finna pull me over. I used my turn signal. I got over to the right. You just said I ain't used my turn signal. I know for sure I used it.
So you used it for sure when you turned left.
I didn't even turn left. I came off Jackson. I made a right off Jackson.
That's not what I'm talking about.
I never got into a left lane. You
got
sound
into the right lane, then you merged back left here.
No, I did not. You're crazy. You're crazy.
I'm not crazy.
This shit is harassment. You're harassing me, man.
I'm not harassing you.
All right, you got me on a traffic stop. You supposed to write me a ticket, man.
Right. No, now I'm getting you because I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle.
You telling me to step out for the vehicle? You telling me to step out for what? What for what reason?
What am I asking you to step out for? So that I can conduct the rest of the traffic stop out here.
The traffic stop for what?
The traffic stop.
For a ticket? For no turn signal?
For failure to use the turn signal, for no city sticker, and for no
That does not cause.
And for no seatbelt.
That does not cause me to get out.
Yes, it does. Because it's the law.
For no tickets and no seatbelt, they think we get out of our car. These goofy ass.
Yeah. You got an idea on you so I can write you a ticket?
Hey, officer. Hey, officer.
Do you have an ID?
Hey, officer. Traffic stop, officer. Hold on. Let my window up. Get off my window. What you doing, buddy? What's all that about?
What's all what about?
You see what I'm saying? Well, what's wrong with y'all, man? What be the deal with y'all?
What's the deal with what?
You guys. I just got off work. You wanna know where I came from?
Sure.
I just got off work. I work at from Bridgeville. Street. Anything else? You're harassing me because I know for sure I use my turn signal. You saw my tinted windows, you thought you had a goofy, right?
No.
Now I don't ride with scraps, I don't sell drugs and none of that.
Okay.
You a goofy, man. Write my ticket.
I will once you get out of the car. All this for nothing. All this for absolutely nothing. Oh, he's gonna get tickets now. He wants to play a game. Tell me write the tickets. I'll write the tickets. It's fine. We're good. They're just being stupid. So if you guys want to hang around, it's fine. Can I talk to him? Our sergeant's coming. What's that? What's the problem? Is you're refusing lawful order to step out of the vehicle. It's Supreme Court law.
No, we don't. Supreme Court, no. The law states. Hold on. The law states I keep my hands on the steering wheel at the traffic stop. The law states I ask permission to reach and get my driver's license. The law states I ask permission to get my insurance or my registration.
You're hand in your hand.
This is what I'm saying. So my probable cause or you telling me you got the cars for what reason?
For what reason?
Yeah.
So that we can talk on back on your rights.
I don't need to get out my car to talk to you. Talk. My window is down.
Okay, well you can keep it down then, please. You don't mind.
It's down.
Okay, but I'm telling you what's going on. You wanted a white shirt, right?
No, I wanted a white shirt. You asked me to get out of my car.
Yeah, right. So
I'm not getting out of my car.
Coming. And if you don't get out of the car, then you can be arrested for resisting lawful order.
I'm not resisting a lawful order because hold on. I'm not resisting a lawful order because in law I don't have to get out of my car for no reason. There's no reason for me to get out of my car. What is the reason?
You got us under arrest, man. You got us under arrest, man.
Okay.
Conclude the rest of the traffic stop.
To conclude the rest of the traffic stop, and what law does it state in order to get a
Pennsylvania
ticket?
versus Mims.
This is f***ing Chicago.
Doesn't matter. Supreme
So
Court law.
dumb ass away from my car.
Oh, okay, now I'm dumb. It's fine.
You dumb and you a bitch.
Here's my sergeant. Okay.
Yo, sorry.
Okay, now you're under arrest if you don't get out of the car.
Just take me to jail, bitch. Take me to jail, bitch. You a clown, Lord. What you? First of all, now tell the sergeant. Tell the sergeant. Under arrest. Tell me what you taking me to jail for.
Absolutely.
Tell sergeant.
Tell Sarge?
No, you tell him.
Okay, absolutely. I'll tell you. I pulled him over for a traffic stop.
He lying. I used my turn signal. Listen, I made it right off Jackson. I saw him behind me. I used my turn. I used it because you lying. The camera show it. I used my turn signal because I saw him behind me. He still pulled me over. I asked him why he pulling me over. He said you use your turn signal. I said okay. Now they telling me step out the car. Step out the car for what reason? To write me a ticket for not using the turn signal. And it's 20 of y'all, bro. I'm scared for my life, man.
I told them they could leave.
Come on, man. I just got off work, bro. I don't gotta be harassed by you because I got tinted windows and I'm black. It's your lame ass song, man.
You gonna write you a ticket? Write you a ticket.
What you talking about?
I'm
not getting out my car.
You're welcome.
I'm not.
That's 76
You gonna talk to Sarge?
I'm talking to Beasley. I'm talking to you, Beasley.
You wanted him.
And I'll let all my windows down for Sarge. You punk. This man harassing me. That's what's going on. I feel harassed because I got tinted windows. Then you got tough ass guy right here talking about what I'm gonna do. I never made no threats to y'all. I asked y'all what was y'all pulling me over for.
Hey, calm down.
And he lying.
Calm down.
Go run my fucking name and write me a ticket.
Hey,
What's wrong with you, man? You got these weak ass officers on your team, man. That ain't cool how they harass people, bro. I work a job. I left the streets alone a long time ago, bro. My son will be 12.
hey guys, let's clear it up.
Man, all that tough ass shit for what? Then y'all wonder why motherfuckers do what they do, but y'all all aggressive for what? On the traffic stop?
1107 boy.
Calm down, okay?
4436.
He got everything. He got insurance and everything.
I do.
What do you need?
He needs to step out of the car.
I'm not getting out of my car for what? For what? Cause you don't like what I said to your bitch ass? Fuck you. You ain't nobody.
You're not gonna jack me up.
The problem is they're refusing to put the windows down. They're moving throughout the entire cab, and we asked them to get out because of that, and they refuse to get out.
Rear seat passenger admitting he's got no seatbelt. He admitting he's got no seatbelt. He's got no city sticker. Now we're up to 3 violations for nonsense. For absolute nonsense.
They're giving you a lawful order to step out of the car.
Let's step out. No problem. No problem. No problem. I'll get out of this motherfucker. Don't touch me, man.
Step to the
10-2-3
I don't want to touch me.
Okay.
When the driver continued to ignore the command to get out of the car, police announced that he was under arrest for resisting a lawful order. Both the driver and his father were pulled out of the car, resisting handcuffs, forcing the officers at the scene to use force to restrain them.
Step to the back.
Get away from me.
Susan assault just occurred 2136 South.
Everybody's gonna get out of the car now, man. Everybody's gonna get out of the car. That's right. Everybody's gonna get out of the car.
Drugs or alcohol
You're doing too much, man. Hey. Hey, relax. Relax. Relax.
Hey, listen. I'm not on the
Relax.
touch me, man.
Relax, man.
I didn't threaten you to shit. I told you don't touch me. I ain't threatening you shit. Don't put your handcuffs on me, man.
Hey, relax. Relax.
I'm not getting no handcuffs, man.
Relax. 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 Hey, tell me relax.
Relax. What y'all got us for? What's wrong with you, man? Get the fuck off me, man.
Relax. Relax. Yeah.
What y'all got us for?
Hey.
Ain't no cup.
What?
Get out, man. Get off me, man. I shot the away from him. Relax. You make it a lot worse. Get off me, man.
Help us! Don't just stand. Grab arm.
Hey, grab me for? What you grab me for? You resisting? No, I'm not resisting shit.
Yes, you are.
You grab me for me. What?
Stop.
You got a cane, right?
Yeah. A lot of compliance gets you a long way.
You stop it. If you get pulled up by the police, they take you out.
Get off
For
the car.
what?
That's what they
For
requested.
what, though?
By law.
Ain't no bad law. You a motherfucking low line.
Here, I'm gonna sit.
You tell me I've been to jail 1,000 times, man.
Explain it to you if you sit down.
Shut your lame ass on.
I understand you're upset because you feel like you didn't do nothing wrong.
I know I didn't. And I used my turn signal.
All right.
They just want to get in my shit as tenant. Listen, I've been on my own since I was 16. I've been selling dope since I was 15 years old.
But you don't do
No, I don't, but so I know when I'm being stereotyped.
You're so excited.
I'm not excited. I'm
You
working.
are. From the moment I pulled up, it's all on camera.
You want me to tell you why?
Why?
Because if I was an old ass lady, they would have took my license insurance, walked to their car, and told me, oh man, you can go by yourself. Because I'm in the car. Can I finish that?
Loud and clear on that one.
Go ahead.
There's 3 black dudes in the car that's tinted up, and you feel like it's guns and drugs. So now I feel stereotyped to the point that you so fucking anxious to get inside my car that you got 50 fucking officers outside to search my car and ain't shit in there. Now I feel violated. Now you telling me I'm going to jail because I feel violated about my fucking rights, about my car that I paid a fucking car note on.
Well, first of all, you violated several lawful orders. They gave you several lawful orders. They gave you several lawful orders.
I'm just gonna be quiet, man, because I see what this is about.
At the end of the day, if your son was respectful, I would have just given him a warning and that's it. It was going to be a simple conversation. But then your son wanted to get crazy about things for no reason. All the windows are tinted. He rolls up the window. Well, what are we supposed to do? We can't see nothing in the car. And then it just continually escalates.
White shirt's got a warrant.
Which one? The old timer?
Just letting you know.
1181.
Man, come on, man. Let's have a champagne.
Looks like you have a window.
I get my ID back.
Did you want your ticket or are we good?
And I don't give a it's a ticket. I'm gonna rip it up, to be honest with you.
Okay. I appreciate the honesty.
To be honest with you, I'm gonna rip it up. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all can give me.
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay.
So can I get my ID back so I can go?
Do you understand why all this transpired?
Listen, you say he didn't pull his turn signal on, whatever. I understand how a traffic stop is supposed to go. First of all, you know this too.
Okay.
That's illegal.
What's it?
Turn around.
What?
Your blue transformer blocking somebody in like this on a traffic stop is very illegal. It is. It's very. You know, I be the gun case the same way because of this. That's very illegal.
Just because it looks bad doesn't mean it's illegal.
Man, that's very illegal. They're gonna throw it out because of that. You know. When you go to trial, y'all should stop doing that. That's illegal. Give a person a chance to run if they're gonna run.
Give them a chance to
Yeah,
run.
that's how you make your job good. But we wasn't gonna run.
Make it good?
That's how you make the case good because obviously, like I just said, like you know, that's illegal. You know that y'all not supposed to do that, right? Correct.
It's not against anything. It's not against any law.
I'm done talking, okay? Can I have my ID back?
Yeah. You? Okay.
Man, shit,
Have a good day.
Put us over for a fake ass traffic stop, bro. Why y'all ain't catching no killers?
Janelle!
Because we're doing bullshit like this.
You pulled me over.
The keys, he got the keys.
We're doing bullshit, man.
For a traffic stop, you could just let me go.
I could have, but you're
And
acting
you
like
ain't
this.
stopping no killers.
You're acting like this.
It's kids
right.
and girls getting killed.
You're right.
But you ain't stopping them.
No, 'cause
you
we're-
stopping the fucking working citizens.
You're occupying us with the yeah.
After bringing both men under control, police determined additional violations, including not wearing a seatbelt, not having a city sticker, and not complying with a lawful order to stop, although the driver continues to claim his rights were violated. The entire video shows that the escalation stemmed from his continued lack of cooperation from the first minutes of the stop.